Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go into T.J.Maxx and do a T.J.Maxx haul and a keto haul coming up next.
I was shocked to see the marketing this keto creamer. I'm not getting it, but I was just curious to see for $8, what does this entail? It's going back shelf. I also spotted a ketogenic coffee. Y'all, these marketers are alive and well, looking to get from our pocketbooks for $4. I decided to belong over to the nut aisle. They did have cashews. Did you know that cashews are 8 net carbs per ounce? They are not a low carb keto snack. So putting those bad boys back on the shelf.
So some other awesome finds were the avocado oil. This huge bottle, which is 33 ounces, is only $15. Another great find. Would recommend this. And the last thing that I found that I'm probably most excited about is organic apple cider vinegar with the raw unfiltered mother, which is great. This huge container, 34 ounces, is only $5. $5, which is great. Relative if you bought it, say, like on Amazon and had it shipped to you, this is a good one to get. And you can see at the bottom, there's the mother. So you just simply shake that all around like the hokey pokey. And it's a good keto food to get from T.J.Maxx haul. If you are loving this video, smash that like button and click subscribe. Now let's keep finding all the other good deals and good keto products.
I want to check out the sugar-free syrups. So here's pumpkin caramel. Here's the pumpkin cheesecake, all of your fall needs. And look, they have a mermaid one. Do you see the mermaid one? I honed in on that. The blue mermaid flavor sugar-free syrup.
So they have some of the skinny syrups for fall right now. They have a pumpkin caramel and then also a pumpkin cheesecake as potential options. For me, these are great sugar-free treats. However, I don't have these but once a month, once every other month. I found they stalled my weight loss. Put in the comments below if they stall your weight loss or if you love using them. But I did want to mention these are $4 for this whole bottle. They have tons of them right back there. You can get a whole bunch of them. They even had a mermaid flavor, which I'm thinking and debating about if I should get, but these would be a potential great option. Oh my gosh, how cute is this for meal prep? You could take this in your lunch to go, $15. I love this. I think this is so freaking cute. Okay, I found some awesome keto food. I would highly recommend. Prices are really good for the T.J.Maxx haul. $3.99 for this huge thing of 2 pounds of pink salt. If you're needing pink salt, T.J.Maxx is the place to go to get your keto food. Next, my shocker find was everything bagel seasoning. This whole container is only $6 relative to the Trader Joe's everything bagel seasoning. Again, another awesome T.J.Maxx find that I would highly recommend.
I wanted to check out this Starbucks coffee for only $6. That package is coupon worthy. And I wanted to check out the expiration date though, which is in a few weeks, which is why it was so cheap relatively for Starbucks coffee. And I went over to the clearance aisle and did see this little coffee thing in the clearance section.
So I love coming to the clearance section. You can find so many cool things for inexpensive, like those egg holders for $3, or here's a cool little easy egg pan for $3. How cute would that be for a stocking stuffer? I do love for meal prep these type of glass containers, $5 for this one. And they also had some Lodge cast iron skillets too that were only $10 down there that I would recommend as well.
So here's another coffee, a Starbucks coffee in the clearance section for only $4. I have a feeling though the expiration date's very soon, so I'm putting it back. I spy with my little eye. Lodge skillets, these are only $10, but I can get those cheaper at Christmas season, so I'm pulling off. They're definitely less expensive. I do like these fridge organizers. Those are nice to put some vegetables in. A little egg organizer. I'm not that fancy though, so it's going back, but I thought they were super, super cute.
They also have organic olive oil, this huge bottle, $10 for this whole bottle. I do like to check for olive oil as a keto food to make sure it doesn't have, that it's real olive oil and not fake olive oil. And it is in fact extra virgin olive oil as the main ingredient. In addition, they have this 29-ounce organic coconut oil that you could put in your keto coffee, or for a good low-carb beverage, or if you're doing low-carb baking, this would be a good one to get. It's $7 for this huge item as well. Another low-carb diet food to get. I'm debating this to get this for my kid for meal prep. I know it's not keto or low-carb related, but it was so cute. $10. So $10, $10 for the plate set. Oh, look, there's a pirate one. I do like using their wine glasses to drink my water out of. So these look nice, and they're nice and big and thin feeling for $10. These are cute aprons for keto meal prep. How cute is this? $10 for this apron. That would be a good one. Or they do have a plaid one also for $10. There's a bunch of different kinds if you need these, or dish towels for your keto meal prep too. That would be potentially a good one. And look, they already have Thanksgiving things out. How cute. And for you Mickey Mouse lovers, let's see how much this costs for cooking. $8. If you need some new cooking wear stuff for low carb cooking. They also have an everything aioli sauce, another great T.J.Maxx find, $4. And in terms of the ingredients, look pretty clean. So I would check out to see if your T.J.Maxx has this. It probably is hit or miss. 1 carb for 1 tablespoon. It's good garnishing sauce. It's good aioli. I like it as a high fat item. And then my other big find was these green olives. Who likes green olives? Put in the comments below. But $3, $3.99, so $4 for 24 ounces. Pretty cool. And they're from Greece, so they must be amazing. I'm totally teasing, but I'd recommend this. $4 for this. Good finds for some keto foods at T.J.Maxx, and for not bad prices either. Keto on a budget and cheap keto. These are some potential good options as well for your meal prep.
So I had to check out these water bottles. So cute they are. These, I don't need one, but I like this little champagne type water bottle thing. Super cute.
So they have some really cool tea infused pitchers, which would be great if you had, say, some of your Starbucks tea or iced tea. You can make it in your own refrigerator, or put like strawberries in there to have, or cucumbers, like spa water. $12 for this pitcher. It's not glass, it is plastic, but potentially a good option. They also have these cute little popsicle makers. If you have kids, you can make my keto popsicles. I have the recipes. You can look on my channel for them for $3. That's an inexpensive one. And also, if you need new tools, cooking tools, like these are little mini ones. These are only $3. Again, great stocking stuffers. I know it's only fall, but you can stock up on those too. How cute are these to make some sort of keto baked good in them? They're $7 for these cute little pans. I think these are absolutely adorable for a T.J.Maxx find.
So I love fridge organizational supplies, and look how many there are. Like, you put so many cool things in this container in your refrigerator for your keto foods and your keto meal prep. I think this was so much fun on my keto shopping trip. Like, look at these. You could put your little, I don't know, and that's the thing. I'm like, I could put my almond flour in there, and then I just walk away because I get overwhelmed with how many choices there are. Anyone else out there like me? So chaffles are all the craze, but I found this vinegar bottle on my chaffle quest to find a waffle iron, but $3 for that to put your olive oil in. I was also curious about this Lazy Susan. Was only $8 for a Lazy Susan. Pretty good price to put your spices in for keto meal prep. I did like this little lunch box for $5. I don't need it, but I was curious to keep hot foods hot. Still looking for my chaffles. The unicorn cup that I thought maybe I could have. Not for my kid, but for me. And here's the measure cups. I got about 1 billion of these at the Pyrex outlet store I went to recently, so I'm passing on those. But I thought these canisters were cute. $10 for 3 of them. And here's my next section. This should be where the waffles are. So literally you can hear me gasp as I look through to see, oh, is this it? No, it's not. It's a pizza thing. It's not my waffle maker for my bowls. But I keep looking, and then I think I've hit the mother load. Nope, but it's a deep fryer. Cliffhanger.
So water bottles, getting new water bottles are a perfect T.J.Maxx haul item. Look at this sparkly water bottle. Let's see how much it is. It says retail 20 bucks. It's on sale for 8 bucks. This is a great thing if you're needing some water. I like the glass reusable ones. They have a whole section here of awesome T.J.Maxx water bottles to get that will help with weight loss. I've actually been thinking about getting a new workout hat. They have some pink ones and some polo ones. Let's see how much the polo cost. Good for our weight loss journey here for new workout hats. So the polo hat, 17 bucks, would be a great workout option. So here's one of the stainless steel bottles that they have. It's on sale for 8 bucks. This would be great to make sure you get your water in. With intermittent fasting, I love using these kind of reusable water bottles versus like plastic ones. These are great. You make the investment for 8 bucks and then just refill it with filtered water. It's a great weight loss tool. So here I'm at the clearance section. I'm excited because I love checking out clearance first just to see kind of the nicks and knacks. They have this glass bottle on sale for 6 bucks. That would be a great pick. And then they do, it looks like, have a used jump rope. This one's $4 if you're trying to get some extra movement in for your weight loss journey, and gym bags. They have a pink one for 15 bucks. How cute are these? That is adorable. So I love these type of inexpensive notebooks that they have for meal prep, for keto meal prep. This is great. You can write out your meals for the week, have it figured out if you're a pen to paper person like I am. And look how cute it is. And it's only 4 bucks for this. They did also have Rachel Hollis's books, Girl Wash Your Face and Girl Stop Apologizing, for 13 bucks. My girl Rachel Hollis. I didn't think I'd find these here. I'm quite actually stunned. So they do have some really good choices here. Also, the other thing that, if I can get it right there, for spices or for organization in your kitchen, these can be repurposed for your kitchen organization for keto. I'm putting them back to stay on budget. I'm debating if I should get pork chop and applesauce, anything from the pet aisle. I'm not quite sure which one I would pick, but definitely they have super, super cute things here at T.J.Maxx. The clearance section also always fascinates me. They have these cute travels for a couple of bucks. How cute is this? I'm debating about whether or not to get. So I have Jessica Simpson brushes. I know this is a low carb T.J.Maxx haul, but 6 bucks you can get the brushes from Jessica Simpson. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday keto diet meal plan down in the description link below. I'll see you on my next keto haul.